Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a first look at the Car and Driver Intellidash Pro S.
And the car and driver sent us this for the review.
Right, so what this is, it's a screen that you can plug into your car and you can get wireless CarPlay.
Wireless. That means no plugging the wire in from your iPhone into this thing here. And if you press the button here,
So this is what you see when you log in. So you can also use it with Android Auto, although you do have to plug in your phone and they give you the cable for that. But really this turns your car dash into a whole system using your iPhone. So you can do your navigation, you can get your messages, you can take phone calls. It's a really great little product.
and it comes with a mount, so you can mount it up. You can hook it up to your dash, or or the windshield rather, or you can put this on your dash and then you can mount it to the dash because it's kind of heavy. So I would probably mount it to the dash. And it comes with all the cables you need. This is an audio cable. These are clips for making the wires look neat. The thing I have here is a cigarette lighter to power this thing up. And then there's a USB-C to USB-C cable if you want to hook your Android phone up to it. And some Velcro and some cable things to make it neat.
Straps to make it nice and neat.
Yeah, and all the directions you need.
All the directions you need to connect it up and mount it and get it going in your car.
Okay, so let's go off and install it in the car and give it a shot.
So we'll come back and do our full review. Thank you.
Thank you.